Hello everyone, happy 2022. I am here with one of our newest team members, Allie.
Hello.
And we are at, can you guess? CES 2022.
And we are here looking for the latest tech and latest accessories to go with our EUC rides, make our rides safer and funner for the group. So let's go check it out, okay?
Woo, so excited. Hi everyone, I am here with Safeware, which is a South Korean startup specializing in wearable airbags. I am here with CEO Daniel Shin, who will be explaining to us his products and his company.
저희 이제 2016년에 회사를 만들어졌고요. 저희는 이제 일상생활에서 많은 사고들이 발생을 하는데 이 사고를 좀 더 적극적으로 해결하기 위해서 웨어러블 에어백을 개발하기 시작했고요. 이미 한국에서는 2020년에 제품화가 돼서 보시는 바와 같이 스마트 에어백, 추락 사고 때, 추락할 때 센서가 사고를 감지해서 에어백이 동작해서 인명을 구하는 추락용 스마트 에어백은 이미 한국에 판매가 되고 있고요. 그 다음에 지금 보시는 바와 같이 바이크 에어백도 현재 개발이 완료돼서 시장 출시를 시작했습니다. 그래서 저희는 이런 다양한 산업용 추락, 그 다음에 바이크 에어백, 그 다음에 시니어 폴 프로텍션 에어백, 이런 다양한 에어백을 통해서 인류의 안전을 기여할 수 있는 기업이 되고자 하고 있습니다. 일단은 올해 미국 시장 진출 계획을 하고 있고, 그 다음에 이 제품 저희 여러 에어백들은 다 사용한 다음에 재사용이 가능하게 구성이 됐습니다. CO2 카트리지만 리플레이스하면 교환하면 재사용 가능.
When are you planning to launch this in the US?
올 하반기 정도.
When the motorcycles wear this jacket, they will gonna connect this line with the motorcycle, and when they detach, the jacket inflation will happen.
3, 2. Nice. Love it.
This product is for like protect from the falling down. They will gonna throw it away, and the sensor will detect the falling down and it will expand. When someone like buckle this one, the lights on, it means that the sensor is on.
3, 2, 1.
The sensor detects like the falling down, and the airbag inflation happens in like 0.2 seconds.
Here at Wolfpack, and I am here with founder and CEO Jonathan.
So Wolfpack is about group travel. Unlike other providers such as Waze or Google that take you from point A to point B, as an individual, we're thinking about taking a group of people from point A to point B to point C, making sure they will get there together. They will never get separated. We created a system which is cloud-based. It has a B2C component for the consumer. It has a B2B component for the tour operator. So on the consumer side, what you do is you download the app, you just look for Wolfpack, one word. You download it, it's on iOS and Android. You create the group you want to travel with. You plan trips very, very easily. You can do that either on the web or on the application directly. You take the trip and you assign it to the group you want. Because imagine you can have a walking group, you can have a bicycle group, we can have maybe an auto club you belong to. So we have very, very different groups. And once you assign the trip, it magically appears in everybody's. So these are the packs I was talking about. So you create a pack, you can have as many people as you want in the pack. You can actually chat with them before or after the trip.
Oh, perfect.
You can upload images, you can do things like that. Then when you go to the runs, you can plan a run, very, very simple. You go in, you choose a starting point, you can choose an end point. If you want to put waypoints in the middle, you can do that as well. You go in, you choose a waypoint in the middle, and now you have the trip ready. And once it's done, you've put it to a specific pack, you save it, and now it's available for everybody in the pack. And now when we're ready and we get ready to start the trip, you go in, and when you hit run, you'll get turn-by-turn navigation, but you will also see where everybody is around you.
Oh,
This
nice.
is a key feature because this is how you keep the group together. And the minute one of those goes outside of this radius that you defined, this will start blinking at you. So you would be aware of that you maybe lost someone. Another critical part of traveling together is that, how do I let people know? By the way, here's an example on this video of how it looks when somebody gets out of range. You see how it's blinking? So now if I want to, for example, tell them to form up or do something, I can tap the screen anywhere and I have messages. These are 4 messages that you can define any way you want. And the minute you hit one, it appears on everybody else's phone.
And everyone can
Can do that.
Oh,
yes,
perfect.
everyone can do that. Everybody in the group can send that message on the ride as they're moving forward. And this is critical because one of the key ideas behind Wolfpack is that you mount that on your handlebars, and then you can look at things and get information without taking your eyes off the road, because it's all about safety. It's actually free for the consumer.
Okay.
They can download it, they can start using it immediately. We have close to 100,000 users already. We have probably 30 to 40 million miles traveled with the application, so it's really used worldwide, by the way. One of the interesting things about us is that we build a community of bikers. So what you can do, as you can see here, you can put messages out, you can put posts like you put on Facebook, but these posts will only go to your group, to the people you want to ride with. And another very important feature is the ability to find other people around you. So I can go in and I can look for people by location. For example, if I want to look at who is available right now here, it will show me everybody available to me. This is a great way to meet new people, get together with other riders, and start doing activities together.
Amazing.
Show you how to do that.
Yeah.
She's so cute.
I am a tea ceremony doer robot, Robbie.
Hi, can you tell us more about this super tracker?
Hi, with the smallest GPS tracker in the world right here. We mostly use it for e-bikes. You can read out CAN data, for example, so you know always how much battery you have left, how far you can drive. But also if your bike gets stolen, you can lock it so the thief can't turn it on anymore. And only if you unlock it via our smartphone app, you see it here, you can lock it and unlock it, and afterwards it will work or don't work. It's just plug and play. You have to just plug out one connector from the engine, put it in here and put this into the engine and it works. We have a demo of our business app. Here you see some tracked routes. You can make geofences. That if you leave a geofence, for example, you can get a notification to your smartphone. But also in walking zones or something like that, you can make a geofence that the drive can only drive for maybe 5 miles an hour or 10 miles an hour. You just have to do it in the settings. On it you have a eSIM card, so you have data connection. It works from 2G up to 5G. You have GPS connection. You have American, European, Chinese, Russian standard. On the other side you have a G-force sensor that the bike knows when you fell, or the tracker knows when you fell, and sends a notification to your wife maybe. And you also have Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect even if you don't have internet.
Here's our pamphlet. So you can connect your cell phone to this helmet, and it has a screen here. So it has a screen here, so it's gonna reflect on this shield over here, this part.
Okay.
So it's not gonna, distract your visibility, but you also have the access to navigation or how fast you're going, or even like text messages and phone calls as well. We also are working with an Italian company with a Trinity film here for just this part.
Okay.
Also in this too. You'll be able to see the outside, but the light won't won't reflect on the helmet. So it's like a Google Assistant. You can also say, hey Google, make a call to blah blah blah. Or,
So there are speakers on the inside
yeah,
too?
so there's a mic over here.
Okay.
So the speaker is going to be inside, and you can control the volume here with this control.
Swanky. I love it. And do you offer different colors than what you have now, or?
We'll have more colors than just white or black.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
These straps actually do come off, so you can go ahead and direct you in the direction that you're trying to navigate to. It's also metal, so you can connect it to magnetics. You can connect it to a piece of metal, if you have a mechanic, construction worker. This will definitely be so easy to use for somebody who's on a unicycle.
Yeah.
Just pull out, wrap back
modular,
on.
alright.
Standard USB-C as well, so you don't have to like fidget with any new cords. 2 batteries in here. If it's under 10% brightness, it'll last about 8 to 9 hours.
Okay.
But if it's blasting full brightness, about 3 to 4 hours.
And that's normally how long we normally ride, or if someone uses it during the day, it still works out for them.
Yeah, absolutely. We are working on a pro version that has LTE and GPS like built into it as well.
Okay, that'd be very helpful. Now you've seen everything that we found interesting for the EUC community. Just let us know what you think about it. Like and subscribe, give a comment down below.
And if you haven't already heard, we've moved headquarters to Las Vegas, Nevada. So if you're ever in town, give us a shout. We're coming out with new programs like rentals and trainings and tours. So 2022 is looking to be an exciting year for us. And also, we're coming out with new content in 2022. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Peace.
All right, till next time.